Mm,
Hello, teacher.
What it seems like you are far from your computer. See? See you. Can you open
Hello.
your camera? Wait, let me request first. What are you doing? See? Oh, you can't open your camera?
Yes.
Okay. But I can hear you clearly. I can only hear you a little. See? Can you move closer to your computer or to your iPad?
Computer.
Yeah, I can't hear you. It's like, wait, let me translate it. See?
Có vẻ như bạn đang ở xa thiết bị của mình. Bạn có thể di chuyển lại gần để tôi có thể nghe rõ bạn không?
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello, Sia. Voice is so tiny, see, but I think we can work it out. Okay, so how are you today?
Hello teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Mom, but it seems like you are too far from the device.
Alo, alo,
Hello, Mom.
con nghe cô nói chị không?
Can you hear me?
Con nghe cô nói chị không? Alo,
Can you hear me, Mom?
con alo đi.
Hello.
You can't hear me?
Ủa,
Hello, see, can you hear me? See?
No.
You why?
con nghe cô nói chị không?
Khi nghe mà chưa.
Khi hồi nghe mà chưa không nghe à? Chưa nghe không?
Hi, she. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay now. Thank you so much for that. So, how are you?
I'm I'm fine.
Okay, so yesterday, oh, not yesterday, but the other day was your birthday. So, how did you celebrate your birthday, she? What happened?
In my birthday party, I have a brown beer cake and some gifts from my friends.
Oh, wow, interesting. Now I want to hear your gifts. What gift did you receive?
I is not no not an cute pen.
Oh, okay. Those are small but yeah, meaningful things. She, that's nice. And did you enjoy your birthday party?
After dinner, we watched movie Doraemon. Then
Did you?
then we take photo booth.
Oh, wow. I wish you could show me the pictures, but I think you don't know how to share your screen. So maybe next time, then I'm really happy to know that you enjoyed your birthday with your family and your friends. So now, let me share my screen again and we will start by answering your homework. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to choose the correct word. Okay, look at each picture. Now, it is a blank day.
It is a rainy day.
Yes, that is correct. It is indeed a rainy day. Oh, by the way, what's the weather like today in your place?
It's sunny.
Oh, it's sunny. So it's really hot. Okay, yeah, same here in the Philippines. It's really hot and sunny. Okay, now let us have the next one. It's
It's a sunny day.
okay, yes, very good. What about for the third one?
It's a stormy day.
Okay, yes, that is right. What about this?
It's a foggy day.
Okay, yes, a foggy day. And the last one?
It's a windy day.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Do you know what it means when we say foggy? Foggy. Do you know what foggy means? Do you know this word? Foggy. Like what you've said, it's a foggy day. Like this one. What is foggy? Do you know? Okay. Do you know this word?
Bạn có biết từ này không?
Oh, wait.
I know in Vietnam and I don't know in English.
Oh, okay. I see. That's fine. Okay, so when we say foggy, it means that there is a thick mist in the air, making it hard to see everything, just like in here. So that is it. Now we'll proceed to this one. Okay, so last time we talked about this already, right? How they are feeling. Okay, so let us have a quick review of this. And can you tell me, how's the weather? How's
It's
the weather?
hot.
Yes, very good. Now, what about for the next one? How's the weather here?
It's cold.
Very good. Now, how's the weather?
It's warm.
Very good. How's the weather?
It's cool.
Okay, it's cool. And how's the weather?
It's freezing.
Yes, that is right. Now let us continue this activity right here. So find the picture and I will click each picture. Okay, so can you tell me, how's the weather?
It's warm.
Very good. How's the weather?
It's freezing.
Great job. How's the weather?
It's hot.
Great job. That's correct. And how's the weather?
It's cold.
Okay, there you have it, she. Now let us have this. Answer each of the questions. How is the weather in fall?
Is cool.
Very good, it's cool. How is the weather in spring?
Is warm.
That's right. How's the weather in winter?
Is cold.
Okay, and how's the weather in summer?
Is hot.
Yes, correct answers, she. Now, look at all these pictures right here and tell me what you see. Okay, so for example, it is spring or it is hot. Now, can you tell me, she, what season is it?
Is fall.
Yes,
And,
it and
and is cool.
okay, yes, that is correct, she. But saying that it is fall is correct already. Okay, now what about in here? How's the weather here, she?
Is warm.
That's right. How's the weather?
Is cold.
And what season is it?
Is summer.
Yes, it is summer. So now look at the pictures given, she, and listen to what each character say, and you have to tell me if it is picture A or picture B. Now, Alex said it's a hot day.
Bitter A.
Yes, very good. It's letter A. Now, can you read this?
Is bitter A.
Yes, it's picture A. I like winter. Now, next one, she, can you read the sentence?
Is bitter A.
Yes, it's picture A. Okay, it's cold today. It is picture A because why is it picture A?
Because bitter A is rainy.
What about in picture B?
Is sunny.
Yes, that's right. So it's never cold. Now let us have this one. We will listen to a song, she, and you have to tell me at least 5 words or phrases that you hear, okay, in this song that I will play, okay? Okay? Do you get it, she? Okay, wait, let me. Okay, let me translate it. She. Okay, so at least 5 words or phrases you heard from the song. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
so now let us start.
What season is this? It's spring, it's warm. What season is this? It's summer, it's hot. Spring is warm, summer's hot. Fall is cool, winter's not. What season is this? It's fall, it's cool. What season is this? It's winter, it's cold.
Okay, that's the end of the song. She. So can you tell me 5 words or 5 phrases that you heard?
Fall.
Okay, yes, we have fall. What else?
Cold.
Okay, cold.
Winter.
Okay, winter.
Freezing.
Okay, freezing. What is the last one?
I hear fall.
Okay, so now can you tell me, it was mentioned, right, what we feel in each season. Okay, so spring is spring hot,
Warm.
Okay, yes, spring is warm. What is the next season, We have spring. What else?
Summer.
Yes, summer. Okay, summer is
Hot.
very good. What's the next season?
Fall.
Okay, fall is
Cool.
mm-hmm. Fall is cool. And the last one,
Winter.
winter is
Winter is cold.
yes, that's correct.
Cold.
Yes, winter is cold. There you have it. So now, since we're done with this lesson, she will now move on to another one. Okay, so we have here Classroom English Part 1. Okay, so in here, you will be able to use a basic expressions for the classroom. Okay, so now we'll have exercise 1. What can you see in the picture,
I see a teacher and a student.
Okay, why do you think they are smiling? What are they talking? Can you take guesses,
Uh,
Okay, maybe the teacher or the professor said you did great in your exam or your test today. Okay, so that is why both of them are smiling. Okay, so a lot of things could happen here. So now, do you want to be Maya or Mr. Smith?
Maya.
Okay, let us start the conversation,
Excuse me, Mr. Smile.
Yes, Maya?
I'm sorry, but I haven't finished my worksheet yet.
That's okay. You can finish it tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, well read. That is what happened in the picture. Okay, so now let us have exercise 2. Can you read this one?
Excuse me.
Okay. When do we say excuse me, When do we say excuse me?
I am teacher.
Okay, so in here we will say, excuse me, if you want to get the attention of a person or you want to ask politely to pass by. Okay, like for example, excuse me, where is the restroom? Okay, wait, let me translate that for you, we say excuse me to get someone's attention or politely pass by.
Chúng ta nói xin lỗi để thu hút sự chú ý của ai đó hoặc đi qua một cách lịch sự.
Okay?
Okay.
So now, next one, we also have it's okay.
It's
What about this one? When do we say it's okay, she?
I say it's okay.
This is the sign, it's okay. We say this to show that there is no problem, okay? No problem or, okay, no problem or to show that everything, okay, everything is fine. Okay, that is when we say it's okay. So next one, she. We also have I'm sorry. When do we say sorry? When do we say sorry?
I say sorry because I
It's okay. Continue, she. Because
I
Okay.
not do homework.
Okay, because you did not do the homework. Okay, yes. So we say, I'm sorry to apologize to someone for not doing something or for doing something that could make that person mad. Okay, I'm sorry. Now, what about this? I don't know. I don't know. When do we say this? When do we say this? She.
I say I don't know because I can't answer.
Okay, yes, I get your point, she. So we'd say, I don't know if you don't have the answer to the question. Like, for example, where is my ruler? I don't know because you don't know where it is. Okay, you don't know the answer. Now, what about it's good? It's good.
It's good.
Okay, so we say it's good, she, to say that something is nice. It is positive, okay? It is satisfactory, okay? It's good. It's okay. Now, next one, it's bad.
It's bad.
Okay, so it is the opposite of it's good. Okay, it's the opposite. So when we say good, it is positive. But when we say it's bad, which means, of course, it's negative, she. Okay, which means something is poor. It isn't pleasant. Yeah, negative. So now let us try practicing it. Okay, so in here you have to tell me what each picture portrays. What does this picture show?
It's okay.
Very good. That's right. What about this one?
Excuse me.
That's correct. And this one?
I don't know.
Okay, there you have it. The last one, she. What is it? It's I'm. Yes, I'm sorry. She looks so sad. Okay, I'm sorry. So now let us have exercise 4. Okay, so we have here a tick she, which means it's positive. It's can you read this?
Yes.
Yes, okay, which means you are really happy. Pro, Probably it's because you did something that really makes you happy. You achieve your goal. Okay, or maybe you passed your test. You got 10 over 10 in your quiz. Okay, so that's why it's a yes. Okay, you're really happy. Next one.
No.
Okay, so when we say no, of course, it means you are not allowed to do it. You are not permitted to do something. Can I go out? No, you can't, which means you'll stay in the house. Okay, so I believe that's all it for our class today. So next meeting we'll have this phrase. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, She, and enjoy the rest of your day with your family. Goodbye,
Goodbye,
She.
teacher.
Take care, She.